Adom TV so bedwe dwuma die so na dia we kan se mu sempa en sa kana no pensu ja medin di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch bakope the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya kono kwanten kwade nsema wodo ensa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudiem ejao hye no soma msanyuma kunya miensa omna bom ska dwetwe mena no pay yede nkomon eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the hintasm which is trying before wouldn't be full trying to come be odin kuma sa no manum catch abusuafo na fofo yere o ma ofase for say na no ada edi bronya no bet na mso ema boys enya wo financial freedom ene yesa de bet na edi new year yesa de twa 6 match nti bomodin da say on sabeti aka 1xbet na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose sikaira enya ya no eno ana de twa better ebeti aboa me nyina asuma etia dwen Jeffas Mr. Dritatashi and etete obomodin da say infections na etete wa on set me kan Jeffas ebeti aboa aprapra wahrawa na omra bomwa mo etia di nchina che ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops in them sabeti aka Jeffas na aboa emaniama etia tutu ye edi amount Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel bomodin da say on sabeti aka bedoi aboa too much bomodin da few pampas be pimo na se no etu ya odie edi few na aboa emanya kwamisa wasetrem mu obetia from 0208219129 na on a Sedimo gel and roll-on from penny for yentwetwe komo yenhwe mwa ema pomodon sem so enyina pintin ewradim we mo any sponsors say take abo men no penso yede awo kensi un sempa en saka no so 8 vijao a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins from very first step yen chance for UEFA Champions League and matches out with say PM Bayern Munich for PSG etwa kabienu omo ntimi ante na fi Tottenham Hotspur any AC Milan 90 minutes of soccer fiesta the scoreline was barren. Sena matches this year no ho kakra na yetime san dia ma no but yen twa ni fan chire International Women's Day Nora Western na ma isi course anya sam keto akra ya ma nyina begina TV so ebi so time san begina radio so kasa ya but ne ya batan o san ko fie nhomu bio e o sena ma isi course but ye ko mu no na ese coach for the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana Madam Nora Hoptel and so the nkomo time say ja on Women's Day sena ma isi course so edema International Women's Day.
It's a very big task, of course, but I feel prepared for this task. First of all, I see me as a manager, and I want to surround me with a lot of good people which I empower, and I think I learned to be a manager over all these steps I did. And I also think that I learned in Switzerland very good what is education and development about. And I think I see a lot of potential in Ghana. And we need to provide this development. So I think I have these skills which I can bring here, and in return I also want to learn a lot of this culture here. I made a lot of researches first when I had the first attach already last year with the princesses. Then I got an impression on the World Cup. This was the first attempt. So I saw that there are, it's a very football culture. They like to have the ball, the Ghanaians. So I got an impression of the playing style. And then I started to scout and detect players. So at the moment, we already found around 35 players playing abroad, which can play for Ghana.
And see, Madam Nora Hoptel, Obonifita on kita the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana say na niji and who as International Women's Day celebration 18 sako so no kasa hwe ne ho a ono enso ye batan wa beje the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana dey senior sense no hwaboa emaniama etian koyi edi amom yenko the chief operations officer edema the local organizing committee Dr. Emmanuel Owusu-Ansa eno no so den komo hakra 20 beja with regards to niema LOC ne ye na aboa emadan kono bia 2024 yaje African Games no edi CSS so
a plan, a plan, building a winsome team, building Team Ghana, no, a plan.
Okay.
No, a Ghana Olympic Committee, in the National Sports Authority, in the National Federations,
no,
boom, and I planning strategy. You be timid, achieve. A fifth position.
No. At least you be fifth.
Because we can see a host and win. We can see a bit first. Because a year there, Egypt, Nigeria, South Africa.
Yes,
but you use our countries if you are. Or more Macano. We did say you may near. You beat me at the fourth or fifth position. I was saying Ghana for a support to the organization and hosting of these games because benefits no endorse.
Sure.
Benefits to the individual, benefit to the nation, benefit to the continent, and even the world, and also maybe a Dutchin and count and also
very, very important.
The benefits of organizing the games. Yeah, but Meshache say enormous for the whole country.
And Dr. Emmanuel Usu and San Aten and Council didn't come with Senja with regards to a local organizing committee, which media Moody and Yamia African Games 2024. Appear question on the 8th of March. No, Yama Etiakuye at the Mama Ghana away Jumedia, Yegusu Edimu. Young Kumu crowd from the Nese, former a year Koroko chairman Bakwa, and also Elbow Juma Sheboman Yamatian Sakuye, Ediama Kumasi Asanoko, a chairman Kokuam Ponsaki 5, and also the Kumoha Kretian Saba, Eddie Afa Umujumedia Mudium. But before then, no, Ura Nidine Bafusini, or a chief executive officer at the Ghana Athletics Association, or the ambassador idea to ya at the Ama African Games, no Western and Mexico, Senadia, a bit in Abo Athlete Sabrino, na a be a indoor games. It's no Mumba outdoor to one shot near Swan question.
With the time, I would like to please with you to consider the dates. The date will be highly unfavorable for Ghanaian athletes, Nigerian athletes, Kenya, and most of English-speaking African countries whose students are athletes in the United States of America. The indoor championships start from December and end in March. So within that March, most of our athletes will still be in indoors. They will not be ready for outdoors. Performance at that time will not be the best. So sincerely and honestly, the March dates will be favorable for us in terms of performance. If we really want athletes to qualify for the Olympic Paris 2024, we have to look at the date, Mr. Chairman. We have to look at the date. But most athletes, especially sprinters, they will still be doing their indoors. They will still be doing their indoors. So it's very critical that we look at it sincerely. And most Ghanaian, as a Ghanaian or as an administrator of Ghana Athletics, most of our top athletes are in the US. And at that time, they'll still be competing in the indoor competitions. So if we want to write, we can write to suggest a date, but the March date should be highly unfavorable. Most people Ghanaians.
The Ghana Athletics Association, or more a chairman and the team, anybody for Seni, and a little paying for any mess room say a dapot and Yamia 2024 African Games between Sabas on the 8th of March. No, which did pass and Yadi between Sambo. Most of the athletes know was some indoor games, now Pima outdoor head, Bedney, at the Amagana sea between. I capture a lot of the medals are very important. I was saying, me didn't pay for share now almost did Nibu. For the better just Yamia Doma, almost between Sakumu, since I cried between a bar and my permanent on between Eddie Betuja. But the young Kumasi asked and never for catching another man for Bekaya and Penphobia Wukumasi as an Ubukunim, to 2 Manamondi, when it went such a bosom Cassia Bakwakachi, a Wukumasi Kobudia, in and say, Referee say, and Uncle Mutabidio Mackinson, a bit Sium, and in tea said, your bonny, say, and they told your mother referee and they said Benado, Obama, who are next will fool never be home, which media Udimu. No more Bodiano, Minnesantini, and Yadia be a twin and we are Kinsey Bakwitians out of fame, our class posted and also humor. There's a house of folk Echikoroko and Kabakwa went to me auntie in painful business to say, Omjidi pass officiating, no one say, Kun, as I see me and a chairman K5 or a former Kumasi and supporters a chairman, and an ordinary Kumabija say, Diabo and another Mukoboy, and you say, be a diabon, a year you move to Prum, and Mumno, that be a Mujidi pass a bit key fet into a referee. Nasa would your marking see the idea by Shawan one Kai said Diabon.
So, a dear, a benya. By entering country, say be an hour anything now. But the Monco swimming tea, a Quabiaso, a Benio be or Pesa or Kutiako Kotokotim.
Okay, to be a Musu, what dear Tiaco Kotim Nibiano, Fisa Brian Copembes, a Dizema dear or Metamonka. I think we are dear, a Benao. So, yeah, what dream pa by no I dream and a human error. Anyhow, but what you pass over dear Tiaco Tokodia. Nikkei 5 the mechanical natural, be young. Ah, what do you, sir? Then I make a throw. And from Tama, more call a Busumi or Kobo said ye, ebe pem sabre enfo na susu se enyom ye de bat nyame adoma nkopim December de na enyom
Kenya so bi ko di match a me minim kwan of five mu a oba be di match o de opa hwe ni be che match
Asempa FM
hwe referee no be di match dia de che se di nya no o trust no di match na fenchem ba no kwani nyame anim so be di kotoko match na ya wadwen pa se o kwa ko di kotoko na mu me kwan bi abefa so a kotoko be lose bia o be lose they cannot credit actual e be nya because ye nya ahokoro e bia e be ko
nti chairman K5 former Kumasi Asanoko Circles chairman na otene council de nkomo 8 and Saturday and senka hwema nipa bibiri na efese nyakopon hwese ne mesi ko so aka asem che na ebe che kakra ansa ne bia wa acting kabosum de putuprum anka wa acting ba to hwese ne mesi ko so asa bosumi de abo anano adam ko bo ne yaka kwantum na so se edian a ebinya so referee no be di ko match no de etiom de a edian ebinya we su na begina na me de nenso nkomo me de bre no e wa go kensim no ABC 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa modern da bet with money that you can afford to lose ika yera nya ya no ene di twa bet intime se wa ya na wa hye no so bet di wa woni betia kokko e betia prunso adwene betia bomutin betia hyehyew ntia na odi adwene kakra etia sato nya sade a waso be hye ba wonyina achi no pe bet dia 1xbet je fast mixture infections e gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis wa fita na so di po na chiwa odi woni kire ba shops ne ma sabetia ka je fast mixture to bi nanom emo amanema enko infama sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel pomodian da yaudie no otini fu pampa so bepem na ase a wonya sadu bia eno so boatu ase odi woni kire ashaman me market an sabetia ka bi hono wo se soja fo no ho de baton sabetia ka na fe so ogo pm so e wotema me market so a on sabetia ka bi betia form 0208219129 na on sedimo gel roll on form panyfo yentwetwe nkomo ehwem a ema niema 822 yimfa madama wo me na tachiri bo amena no penso de a wo kensi unsempa nsaka etimijao within the Enoch kwesi wolanyo walas agudi catch back open mjinemu and of course evidence based sports presentation it me bro but I didn't any ma onya kwesi if be any da so ni emfa nko be be any da so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.